What's up, Fix It family? Welcome back to another video. And today, as you can see, the ball joint, the end up mash up, end up left me a road, as I can see. Yeah. So me end up stuck in a mega road. See it there, so the ball joint drop out. Let me know in the comment if this always happen to on the EK. Yeah man, so the ball joint left me a road, so I couldn't move. Yeah, so I eventually managed to get over on the sidewalk, see it there. So it end up creep up the whole line and rim. See all that's something that come out, I don't know what that CV joint jump out there, so so they affect the CV joint as well. I end up pull off the wheel and inspect all the work, go and see all the guard drop off there and everything. So I couldn't move none at all. Yeah, so the next day I end up short, a mechanic. Even though me fix work on car too as well, but me never have some of the equipment so me end up short somebody for help me. And me I tell her a person really helpful, and he move really fast, because within less than an hour, him change the ball joint, and him end up get back the CV joint in. Even though something they drop off of the CV joint, him end up get it in back, as I can see, with the take off the old ball joint, we end up knock out the next one now. And so I pull it off, so I knock it out. And the funny thing, me end up buy the ball joint and have it, and say it need to change. So me never change it like the next day, and it just give way for me. Yeah, I end up slamming on one pothole and look like a that affect it. Yeah, so no grease on it, the whole dry out. Not a drip of grease. Yeah, so see my knocky in the new one there. Yeah man. So I really give thanks, really give thanks to God. So I manage to go feet and fix everything and get for carry it home. So CV joint, there's some stuff they come off of it, but we end up finding them back still and put them on back. So I just connect it up back, see them that put in the CV joint there. Put up back the hub, and connect up back the control arm, so you might put it in the CV joint there. So as I may say, it was a quick fix, so it's important when you have the equipment, not take no time. Quick. So we're really grateful for the help, Yeah man, shout out to the mechanic again. The thing said that gonna take longer than I imagined, but it really done fast. See what line I rim there. What line I rim robot. So basically I hit that. So thanks again for watching.